how to share ETA on Apple Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, ETA refers to estimated time of arrival, which will predict your time of arrival at the destination. So you can share it with your friends by sharing the location. For that, you'll need to head over to iPhone settings to turn it on. So open up your iPhone settings and then in the search bar at the bottom, search for Maps. Open it up, scroll down, and then you'll be able to see Share ETA option. Just toggle it on. Now, the friends that you share your Apple Maps with will be able to see your estimated time of arrival. It's as simple as that. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.